The Darbar Shillong Bishnupur-Kenche'S today, the 19th of February 2022, held the election for the post of Wanbok Lyngdoh or Headman in the presence of ministers or Mantri of the Hima and also officials from the office of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, together with the MLA of South Shillong constituency, who is also a resident of the locality, Sanbor Shulai. The election went on peacefully in spite of huge security from the police and magistrates and also the police of the same of Hima. In this election, there were two main contenders to the post of Wanbok Lyngdoh, and the election was held through ballot voting. Altogether, there were 271 male voters who came to cast their votes. Kynsaibok Nongbri, who secured 147 votes, was declared winner against Wanbok Lyngdoh, who secured 122 votes, while 2 votes were invalid. Speaking after the declaration of the result, local MLA Sanbor Shulai said that it is a memorable day for the locality, where he informed that its name Bishnupur will be soon changed to Lomshatsmi. He said that he was hopeful that there will be prosperity and peace in the area and also promised to work together for the progress of the locality.
Naduki rangba kisamla kentai bichana ikna puli ikna school ki hybrid jonga dengan sedang Bishnupur-Kenche'S kejongi kabagila dal ru kejing angnut do khatsan sedang menchua ilapa su kada solution dengan darbar por jongi ba WB khongwet ba barnal bagi khon ek bala bompoa do arule bangila pas kada solution ru pengen perkelana ia kada darbar sino Bishnupur sa darbar sino Lomshatsmi-Kenche'S Kynsaibok kat kumkaan akadin bo Wanbok Lyngdoh kador exit dor nele si be uta kade kata kajing jamdau le si ya kata kerteng Bishnupur habang ila don kat legi para do prafna ila don kador ba ngila den kala kerteng no Kynsaibok bagin weng no Bishnupur kenang ba kana ka Shillong ko jongi kan yeng chat kan lan no nakar jing ring stir suai kan klan no ban laban pun kali kita pending ba Nongbri kan ketika ban ketika dia kacong piwe nang ne sakmat ngangadon bag sarkar kumbai menteri ilaong ngadon bapi pirmelong kibo sorong ba apo sorong brokoi de ka wemeli jong pi balong minister boy ko porong ko jonga ngadon dan dia jong pi bag government Hamal lagi department kejing jing son kumba biju wan sing jua kumba biju wan ban hol numba ke telefon nyim ju krian ya keran din rei ni kersan ya bi nyarap kan ka responsibility ke jonga klem da pension.
The newly elected Wanbok Lyngdoh Nongbri promised to work for the prosperity and betterment of the locality.
Banging like kendo swai kan ka darbar nilai don ke jingkular bangin pendan burom ya ka Shillong bejongi bakani ka darbar kan long ka bajai jai khuplei sibon ipi baro kiblawan ban thebot ya baro arspa nyopui ngon kiblawan sagani ban thebot ya ka jingkit khli ka jongpi ya ka phi lawan ban mi na lagi yeng ki sang jongpi nila sim ya ka por ka jongpi hendrei ni ipat ya ka jingkit khli ka jongpi tatu panang ni sedien ma phi bat ka yeng ka jongpi tenang ai ka ketika yang ka jongpi ya ka bangin wanra ya ka roi ka par ka suk ka san baka bha ka miat hagani ka Shillong ka thau ka jongi paro